Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. Today, I'm going to share how the Roundhill Furniture button tufted wingback chairs have brought in much needed warmth and comfort to our dining space. When I was browsing online, there were just so many options. But what really sold me on this set was their unique leg color. They're a really lovely whitewashed light brown shade that perfectly matched up to my existing dining set and bar stools. Also, we have an open floor plan, so it was really important to me that I chose a fabric that was neutral. The soft gray color of these chairs adds that little subtle pop of color without overwhelming the area. But what really has made these chairs stand out to me is the diamond tufting detail and the brass nail trim. They add a touch of luxury that elevates the entire look of the chair. And they're not just pretty to look at, they are incredibly comfortable to sit on as well. They have just the right amount of cushion and bounce. Even after a couple of years, they're holding up beautifully. Adding these Roundhill Furniture button tufted wingback chairs to our dining set has been a great decision. And that's my point of view.